Lot number 203 is a 2006 Bluebird commercial bus. This is a 26 passenger commercial bus from the city of Hialeah. The body is straight. The paint is peeling and faded in some spots. It's got one flat tire on the passenger side. The rest of the tires look fair. It's got aluminum rims all around. All the windows are in good shape. The motor sounds good. It's got a 5.9 liter Cummins engine. It's been running for over an hour. It idles smooth, revs up nice. And the automatic transmission, Allison automatic transmission engages. Cummins 5.9 liter. It's got a small dent on the rear passenger corner. The rest of the body looks good. Interior looks dry. I don't think any water's getting inside. This tire appears to be flat. There's some damage down here on the passenger side, front corner. The interior appears to be in good shape. Here's the driver's seat. It looks good, a little dirty, no real damage. Allison transmission engages. All the controls appear to be in good condition and working. All the gauges appear to be in working condition. The odometer is the only one I'm confused with. It says 952. I don't think it only has 1,000 miles. It has 31,000 hours. But I'm gonna call the miles unknown. All the controls look good. The bus runs and drives. I drove it in the parking lot. The motor feels good and responsive. All the passenger seats in here look like they're in good shape. I'll walk you through it. Looks like it could use a good cleaning. The only damage I saw in here is that there is a hole on the floor. It's about the size of a softball. When it goes all the way through, I can see the asphalt. So they put this little cover here, I guess, to keep the rodents out. But the interior looks pretty clean and appears to be in good shape. Power door works as it should. The AC blows cold. Again, it appears to be dry inside. I don't see any signs of water getting in here. All right, so there you have it. It's a Bluebird 2006. Unsure of the model. I tried looking it up. It just calls it a commercial bus. It runs and drives. And it's got cold AC. You do have one flat tire to deal with. And it's the passenger side rear tire. All right, it's lot number 203. Good luck.